Hey guys, are you getting tired of these pocket doors? They always fall off the track, you can't get them in. Well, we're gonna take this out today. We got a door over here for access to this bedroom. It's an addition. We're gonna put the framing and then drywall it. All right, so first step of what we need to do is we're gonna take this trim off. Once you take all the trim off on each side, we're gonna be able to take the door out. There's a lot of reasons pocket doors break or they won't open or they fall off track, but this is probably the strangest, probably the first time I've ever seen it, where we find a book that won't let the door open. Llama llama. Now we got all the door out, our framing out, our trim around it. We took all the guts out and now we took our router and we routed this out. That way we can take the drywall out. Now we're gonna just see how a pocket door works. They just have one piece right here and the door slides in and out, and it's just one piece. So we just gotta add some framing and then put some drywall. All right, now we got everything cleaned up, as you see. We put our top plate in, we put our bottom plate. This plate right here is pressure treated because it touches the concrete. And now we're gonna put our studs in. So we got this one, hopefully it fits. All right. And then we're gonna put this one in. All right. And what we're gonna do is just toenail it. Now it's time to hang the drywall. First we want to start on the bottom. Usually when we're hanging drywall on the wall, we start from the top and go down. This, we're going to start from the bottom and go up, just so we can have the seam right here and we're not bending down. If you're in drywall and you don't have one of these bad boys, this is a 24-inch tomahawk. This thing is awesome when you do these butt joints.